Hi there, this video is live. Ominous, mild, wet, snowy, mixed, cold, freezing, winter weather forecast, UK 2024. If you like this video, put the thumbs up the right side of the screen right now please. Time them out in digital. This afternoon is 15:15 PM in the afternoon, and that's 3:15 PM in the afternoon, and it is November the 24th, Sunday afternoon guys, 24. So this is my winter forecast. I think we're in for, wow, a 50% chance of big freezes, winter 24 to 25, or a cold snap at times, because winter 2024 to 25 across the UK. I might be wrong, but I'm always 85% right about the weather across the UK, across England and the south for some reason especially. But we'll see what happens, guys. Here we go. So this is Met Check we're looking at today, forecast. Met Check today we're looking at right in this guys. Winter forecast 24, 2025, because southeast so regions right this minute, guys. Let's get a forecast right now nationwide. So talking about the maximum temperature, it feels like the rain wreck, that's amount, you name it, that and this wind direction and the speed and the ratio happening and the icon of the weather that day. Wow, fascinating, guys. Looks like it's going to be a very cold, chilly start to the summer, which I agree with, but gets a little bit colder later on, potentially. Today's quite cold, nothing big time freeze, not up here 2010 December. We're pretty close in the Atlantic Ocean with the upper sea temperature, like to repeat, of 2010 November, if you remember that year. November to 2010 December to remember. This is, you name it. Wow. New Year, January 2025. Yeah, 2025 across the UK, for southeast regions. You see it's a cold start to the new year. Wow, that's cold, man. Looks like the metrics going for a very cold winter at the looks of it across southeast regions at the moment. There's a lot of rain at time, precipitation. You can see there and there. That's the idea of rain. Or that is the amount of rain. And temperature is going to be a bit colder later on. It looks like it's going for cold January. A lot of people are suggesting January might be the coldest part of the winter at the moment across the UK, potentially across the southeast regions, which is interesting. Very interesting with MetCheck today. And this is February for MetCheck for, you name it, the southeast regions winter 2025. Well, 2024, 2025. And it's like it's going for a very cold one as well-ish. Below average temperature slightly. Very interesting. The winds are coming from the east at times, southeast and east, and then southwesterly, so all over the place. Very interesting. We're going to take this extension to March. It looks like March is going to be the coldest part of the spring next year, towards the end of March. Look at that. Wow, 1 Celsius, -2. Probably caused by an SSW later on in the winter. We do seem to be getting SSWs across the North Pole later on in the winter due to climate change, I'm afraid to say, guys. So it's, you know, it's looking very increasingly likely that springs are getting colder now, with a warmer climate across the UK, especially across the Northern Hemisphere. And this is the the blocking sets up, especially. This is the American actually forecast for December 2024. Looks like they're going for quite a moderate temperatures, colder at the end of December, so quite chilly at the start, but colder later on. And then we look at you name it, January with American accuracy, and that is going for a very you name it, guys. I've settled, wet, mild sort of start, and then a little bit colder towards the end. Interesting. And this is February for American accuracy for the southeast regions forecast 2024, 2025 winter. You can see what's going on there. It's interesting. Looks like it's going to be cold in March, the looks of it. And this is the weather for the future into December, 6th of December across the UK. You can see another storm's coming in. That'll be storm corner. So look out for that across the UK, potentially with American 12 GFS 12. And this is the up air temperatures getting milder. So it looks like the winters start out quite mild later on, especially in December. And this is the you name it, 10 hectopare across the North Pole. There's no sign of an SSW across the North Pole, even the long range forecast, I'm afraid to say at the moment. So let's not get too carried away about that happening. 25% chance of white Christmas on Woking Town on Christmas Day. 8 Celsius fair, so nothing too excited about a white Christmas yet. And this is the forecast for Woking Town at the moment. Currently for that storm broke across the UK right now, across Woking Town especially. You can see what's going on there. It's quite stormy, quite wet, quite nasty. You can see the other ones there. It's pretty stormy for the huge guys across the UK at times. And then this is the, you name it, guys. Wow. This is the mean upper air wind direction, so I mean. You can see it's going to be getting very powerful. There's like more storms across the UK. No sign of the reversal of the winds up at 10 HP at the moment. Very modest chance of the new year. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. This is my winter forecast 2024, 2025. I'll do one more final one for you next week. Please subscribe to the channel. Brilliant. We'll cost 5% right. the West Element in the universe. This guy's on sign again.